EA960F4 is a high-protection outdoor advertising LED display. It supports a refresh rate of at least 3,840 Hz, brightness up to 6,500 candelas per square meter. These specifications ensure clear visibility for outdoor advertising. Alignment pins ensure precise cabinet alignment during installation. The aluminum cabinet reduces weight while remaining robust and durable. Reserved mounting holes allow for external handles to be attached, making transportation and installation easier. Hard-connected LED modules transmit power and data through the cabinet base, eliminating the need for exposed intermodule cables. EA960F4 withstands harsh outdoor weather conditions. Installers can perform maintenance on the EA960F4 from either the front or rear of the cabinet, providing greater flexibility for projects with limited rear access. Quick-lock mechanisms enable rapid cabinet splicing and support multiple installation methods. Designed for digital billboards, commercial complexes, building facades, and landmark displays, EA960F4 is built for long-term outdoor installation in various climatic conditions.